everyone! Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about ASUS Vivobook 15. See More Careless. It's known as the world's smallest colorful 15 Ultrabook. We're gonna explore this world's smallest colorful 15 Ultrabook and see how it's made and how it is good for. So whether you're at work or play, ASUS Vivobook 15 is a compact laptop that basically immerses you whatever you want to do. The new frameless four-sided nano edge display boosts an ultra slim 5.7 bezel, giving you an 88% screen-to-body ratio for super really immersive visuals. The new ergo lifting design also tilts the keyboard up for more comfortable typing. The Vivobook 15 is powered up by the latest Intel Core i7 processor with a discrete NVIDIA and graphics and dual storage drives to help you get things done with the least amount of fuss. What's more, it's available in 4 unique finishes to suit your style. So it has the nano display in 88 screen body to ratio 5.7 bezel and the Intel Core i7 and many more things to help you. The unbounded immersion. So Vivobook 15 pushes the limits of what's possible of inspiring you. The new frameless four-sided nano edge design gives Vivobook 15 an almost bezel-free display, vast amount of screen area, extremely immersive visuals for work and play. Also, it's ultra slim bezel and a pleasing HD camera that comes at the top. So it's a webcam, and then you can use it to talk to your family or talk to your friends, which is pretty nice. 88% screen to body ratio, 5.7mm ultra slim bezel, 15.6 FHD display, and then 178 degrees wide viewing angle. When less means more, the new frameless four-sided nano edge keeps the dimensions down, so giving the Vivobook 15 a footprint that's appreciably smaller than the predecessor. It takes less space on your desk, into your bag, less space anywhere you go, so it's easier to work in and handle. Also, it's pretty light. It's only 1.6 kilograms, and due to the fact that dimensions are small, so you can easily put it in your bag. It's really easy to take it anywhere you want and use it anywhere you would like. Also, with the 15 colors possible and 15 different styles just made for you, you can change the color you choose, make it unique, like the one you want, like a peacock blue, and change colors, express your personality throughout that color. Give yourself a lift. Open up Vivobook 15 for a world of productivity and possibility. Its precision engineered ergo lift has a silky smooth dual action that holds display security at any angle and adds a 2-degree keyboard tilt to give you a perfect typing position every time, making everything possible. So your future is what you make of, and a Vivobook 15 has tools to help you every step of the way. With the very latest Intel Core processor and an NVIDIA discrete graphics at your disposal, you're ready for what is lying ahead for you. And you can be productive, do multitasking, multimedia editing, casual gaming, and all of that. With the dual band Wi-Fi 5, you'll enjoy a super fast online experience with a speed up to 867 Mbps. Windows 10 Pro, Core i7, 16GB, MX 130, Wi-Fi 5, exactly what we just talked about. Shorter load times, more storage space. Vivobook 15 has a dual storage design, so it gives you a faster performance and also larger storage capacity. So you can install apps on the SSD for the super fast response and upload an app downloading, and then the SSD store large files such as movies, music libraries, photo albums. Vivobook 15 also features Intel Optane memory technology that makes the apps load faster, you can do multitasking smoother, and all of that. And you can also get the best of the both worlds with the SSD like live performance and a larger storage space affordable with the traditional hard drive. So we have 512 GB in the SSD, 1 TB in the HDD, and a Intel Optane memory. It has a fingerprint sensor. So just like most of your phones right now, or some other the iPads and laptops, it has a fingerprint sensor. So when you put your finger on it, it will recognize who you are with the sensor, and you can get in. And you're the only one who can get it, which is a very secure way of handling your laptop and protecting exactly your type. So with a full-size backlit keyboard on a Vivobook 15, it is just perfect for working in dim environments. It's a sturdy one-piece construction, ergonomic K-dish design, and a 1.4 mm K travel. It provides a comfortable typing experience and a perfect angle thanks to ergo lifting. The keycaps are torture tested up to 10,000 cut taps, so you never have to worry about durability. Connecting the possibilities. With Vivobook 15 EcoBuds with a reusable USB-C 3.1, USB 2.0, HDMI, USB 3.1, and a micro SD card reader, you can just bring in anything you want and travel data 10 times faster. And you can have all of your data on this laptop, bring it and take it out, which is easy, keeping you productive all day long. With the high quality lithium polymer battery, it gives you all day computing service basically. It's faster charging, so it's 60% faster charging and it just charges in 49 minutes. And it's 3 times longer battery life. Also, it helps you protect your battery from overcharging or your prology battery life span. It reduces the chance of a damage from your battery swelling, keeping the battery in a tip-top condition. For audio, with the ASUS Tuning Master, a combination of hardware, software, and audio tuning designed with the goal of giving you a very best experience. A professional grade codec ensures a precise audio with encoding and decoding. With amplifiers, larger speakers, and resonance chambers perfectly suited to Vivobook 15. It ensures a powerful audio delivery and a deeper bass. Also, with this single process and turning help to refine minute details, filter noise, improve audio clarity, and you get a more immersive sound. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Also, it will give you more information about this. So go and check out. Also, this Amazon link is in your description box. So if you ever feel like you didn't catch this right now, you can just click on it and then go from there. The resource I used was www.asus.com, so you can make sure that everything that I used was reliable. We give them credit for this presentation since all the data was from there, and the clip that we're going to just watch after this is full credit to them. That's it. Please make sure to go and check out the other videos on this channel, and I hope you have a really nice day. Bye.